happy birthday. I believe you're already 21. And I hope you will have a great and fruitful year ahead. You know what? We miss you, and we hope to see more of you with your family, of course. So right now I'm gonna dedicate a song to you. It's entitled "Lean on Me," and I hope you like it. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrows, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long. So I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have things you want to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you don't let show. So just call on me, Annie, if you need a hand. We don't need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'd understand. We don't need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long, 'cause I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Alright, once again, happy birthday to me, and we hope to see you more. Alright, so happy birthday.